Hello, word, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're going to explore a fundamental word that's literally beneath our feet: Earth. That's right, Earth. Now, at an A2 level, you probably already know what Earth means, but let's dive a little deeper and explore its nuances. Earth is a noun, and it refers to the planet we live on, the third planet from the Sun. It's the only known celestial body to support life as we know it. We use it all the time in everyday language. For example, I love living on Earth, or the Earth is round, not flat. Let's look at some synonyms for Earth. While there isn't a perfect synonym for Earth in its entirety, we can use words that describe aspects of it. One possibility is the world. For example, instead of saying the Earth is getting warmer, we could say the world is getting warmer. It carries a similar meaning, focusing on human experience and our planet. Another synonym, although used in a different context, could be globe. For instance, instead of the astronauts saw the Earth from space, we could say the astronauts saw the globe from space. Globe refers more to the physical shape of the planet. You might also hear people use Gaia, particularly in environmental contexts. Gaia represents the Earth as a living organism. For example, protecting Gaia is essential for future generations. Now, let's consider some antonyms. Because Earth refers to our specific planet, finding a direct antonym is tricky. But we can consider concepts that are not Earth. One antonym could be space, the vast expanse beyond our planet. For example, instead of life exists on Earth, we could contrast it by saying there's no known life in space. Another possible antonym, depending on the context, could be heaven, often used to represent a spiritual realm separate from our physical Earth. For example, some people believe in Earth and heaven. Or we could use Mars, another planet. For example, scientists are exploring Mars to see if it could support life, but currently, life thrives on Earth. Another word that provides contrast could be universe. We are just a small part of a vast universe, but Earth is our home. So, how do we use Earth in everyday life? Well, all the time. We talk about the Earth's climate, its resources, its people. You might hear phrases like down to earth, meaning practical and realistic. For example, she's very down to earth, which makes her easy to talk to. Or cost the earth, meaning very expensive. For example, that new car cost the earth. Another common phrase is Earth Day, a day dedicated to environmental protection. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. The future of Earth depends on our actions. What on earth are you doing? An expression of surprise or frustration. The Earth rotates on its axis. The Earth is approximately 4.5 billion years old. The air on Earth is mostly nitrogen and oxygen. He traveled all over the Earth. The weight of the Earth is enormous. The Earth is experiencing climate change. Planting trees helps protect the Earth. We need to be responsible stewards of the Earth. She inherited a small piece of Earth from her grandmother. The crust of the Earth is made of tectonic plates. The Earth's gravity keeps us grounded. From space, the Earth looks like a blue marble. We are citizens of Earth. The Earth provides us with everything we need to survive. Let's work together to heal our Earth. The magnetic field protects the Earth from solar wind. Geologists study the Earth. So, to summarize, Earth is the planet we live on. We explored synonyms like world, globe, and Gaia, and contrasting terms like space, heaven, Mars, and universe. We also looked at how it's used in common phrases and everyday conversations. I hope you found this episode helpful. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and it really motivates me to keep creating these episodes for you. And finally, for a fun challenge, Create your own sentence using the word Earth and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Goodbye, and have a great day on Earth. Remember to protect our Earth. Let's make Earth a better place for everyone. Think of new ways to protect Earth. The Earth is our responsibility. Consider alternative resources to save the Earth. Reduce, reuse, and recycle to help the Earth. Every action helps protect the Earth. Start small to create big changes for the Earth. We must learn to love our Earth. The Earth is a precious gift.